Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the PhD entrance test from one of the state university. Total 531 vacant seats are there from the 34 universities and eligibility is PG. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, it is University of Lucknow. So here you may check down that. First we will see the important dates, and then we will check the admission brochure. So start of filling of online application form 9th March 2021, and the last date of form filling for the PhD programs 15th April 2021, and the last date with late fee 22nd April 2021. So these are the important dates for the admission of PhD programs. And while coming to the admission brochure, so it is a brochure guys, you may check down. So few general information is provided here. So here the full-time program as well as the part-time program, so both these two are available. Coming to the full-time program, the duration is mentioned. So PhD full-time program shall be minimum duration of 3 years and the maximum of 6 years from the date of admission. And the procedure for admission is as per the research entrance test, and then followed by an interview. And the candidates has to score 50% in the research entrance test. There will be relaxation of 5% in the research entrance test for the OBC, SC and STE candidates. And the syllabus of entrance test shall consist of 50% of research methodology and 50% as per the subject basis. And all candidates who qualify the RET with the minimum prescribed cutoff have to attend the interview. And the candidates have to report for interview at the stipulated date and time, which will be declared on the university website. Okay, and the candidates who qualify for the RET and appear in the interview will be considered as a final merit list. And the marks of qualified and non-qualified candidates will be displayed only after the declaration of final merit list. And how the merit list will be prepared, that one also mentioned here. So weightage of 70% of the entrance test and 30% of performance in the interview. Okay, so based on that one they are going to take. And coming to the part-time PhD program, will be allowed provided all other conditions PhD Ordinance 2020 are met. So the duration for the part-time PhD program is the part-time research scholar shall stay at the place of research work for a minimum of 6 days per semester, okay, during the entire period of research work, and shall have an undertaking to this effect at the time of registration. And part-time PhD scholars are not eligible for any type of fellowships or scholarship from any source. That means the full-time PhD scholars are eligible for the fellowships. Okay, and here experience and the procedure for admission is given. The final selection of candidates for part-time PhD shall be based upon the separate test. Okay, that is 70% weightage shall be given to the write-up and 1000 votes submitted by the applicant, and 30% weightage on the work experience, academic index and performance in the interview as well as the viva voice. Okay, so the requirements for the form submission are also given here, you may check down. And here the application fees mentioned 2000 rupees for the general and OBC and 1000 rupees for the SC and ST, and with late fee also mentioned here. And coming to the seat details, okay, for regular PhD, you may check down this. Total 34 departments are there. 442 vacant, 442 where regular seats are there. So the subject names are also given here: ancient Indian history, anthropology, Arabic, economics, English, French, Hindi, history. Next, Jyotri Vigyan, linguistics, and Sanskrit, Persian, philosophy, political science, psychology, public administration, Sanskrit, social work, sociology, Urdu, Western history, applied economics, and commerce, education, law, biochemistry, botany, chemistry, computer science, geology, mathematics, physics, statistics, and zoology. Okay, so these are under the 440 seats, 42 seats are there as per the regular PhD. And coming to the part-time PhD, here the total 89 vacant seats are there from the 26 departments. So you may check down the departments also as per the part-time PhD: ancient Indian history, Arabic including Arabic culture, Arab culture, economics, English, French, Hindi, journalism, mass communication, Library and Information Science, Linguistics, Philosophy, Political Science, Public Administration, Sanskrit and Social Work, Sociology, Applied Economics, Business Administration, Commerce, Education, Law, Biochemistry, Botany, Chemistry, Geology, Physics and Statistics. Okay, so total 26 departments are there under the part-time PhD. So total here the 442 and here 89. Okay, so nearly 500 plus vacant seats are there. So all the interested candidates may apply for this one, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. Okay, and I will share this website link at the end of the description box of this video. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide